Pimoys 6 pieces powder puff face makeup sponge soft velour triangle powder puffs for loose powder setting powder cosmetic foundation beauty sponge. Stocking stuffer's gift for women. Black, pink. Humanity design. Our powder puff is actually designed with triangle and circle style. When you put the foundation on your cheeks and forehead, you can use the round side. When you put foundation on the eye and contour, you can choose the triangle side, and you won't have to worry about the uneven makeup. Normal size and hold well. Each powder puff measures about 2.76-7 centimeters. The normal size can fit your hand well. Each makeup puff comes with one strap for you to hold well and easier to use the powder applicator. The triangle shape makes the makeup on T-zone easier. Comfortable and soft. This wet and dry dual-use makeup puff is made of fiber material, soft to touch, natural and even makeup won't make your skin feel uncomfortable. It acts like a barrier against the skin and contour.